Okay, you guys, so we are on the second page right now, and now we're starting to get into some cool tools now. Got flashlights, drill and lawn equipment. Let's see, tools and lawn equipment. Let's see what lawn equipment they have. All right, so we have a trimmer, $75. Amazon brand. Yeah, $75 for trimmer seems normal price. Not too interested in that. Mm, got router bits. Eh, what's on the second page of that? Hmm, what is this? A generator? A welder. Hmm. Do I need a welder? Sure. I don't even know how to weld, but I can learn easily. Boy, these are a lot of motion sensor lights. Might put one of those in the cart. I'll come back to that. Let's see. You guys, this is a lot of deals, okay? A lot of deals. Let's look at this tool set. $237. Woo! Woo! Yeah, that one's gonna stay right there for now. That tool set is not important. We got a safe. Ooh, nice goggles. Y'all doing y'all again. Man, I hope I don't go to sleep before I before I purchase my stuff that I'm gonna put in my cart. Nah. Let's go to page 3. Alright, we already got the ladder. We don't need another one. It look like a heat gun. Generator. Inverter. Look like it's gas powered. Nah. Let's see. Gas and propane powered. No, thank you. No, thank you. You guys, the deals here is insane. They have so much stuff on sale right now. What the heck is this? A light? That's interesting. Haven't seen a light like that before. Star projector. That looks nice. We have something like this in the kids' room already. Well, my oldest is probably outgrown that, but my youngest, he likes turning it on. It makes him go to sleep quicker. What's this, a tool set? Ah, you click it and a whole bunch of other stuff come up. And there it goes. Spindle nut set. Okay. Ooh, $40. Digital torque wrench? What? Oh, I'm tempted, you guys. That one might have to go in the cart. That one might have to go in the cart. All right, so this one does 0.74 to 14.75 foot-pounds torque range. All right. And then you have this torque range. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. More than likely, it'll probably be this one. $43. It's not bad. It's not bad. You know what we're gonna do? You know what we're gonna do? We're just gonna add it and save it for later, you guys. We add it. See what happens when you add stuff? There's more stuff pop up. That's just the way the Amazon algorithm works. Let's see. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. I went back too far. Did I? No, I didn't go back too far. Okay. Got a headlamp. Water heater. What kind of water heater is this? I do want to change my water heater, but that's a big project, you guys. That's a big project. I'll look into that later. These star projectors are getting very popular. All right, ceiling fan that has colors on it. That's unique. Got tarp. Page 4. What we got? What we got? What we got? All right. So we just ordered the doorbell. We just ordered the ring doorbell, another ring doorbell, and I installed a wired ring doorbell. And yeah, Christmas is going to be lit this year, you guys. Family members are going to be having so much fun. It's going to be insane. All right. Da 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 da. All right. Let's go back. All right, you guys. I am going to take a little break right here, and then we'll go to the next pages. As a matter of fact, I might go into a different department instead of tools and homes. I might just go into home and kitchen, see what they got home and kitchen, electronics and other stuff. So yeah, stay tuned, and I will try to do at least. Oh, I have this candle set. Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, I have this candle set. Or no, not this one. If I would have had this one, it would have said you bought it and let you know when you bought it. Okay. All right, you guys. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit. And the next video I do may be my last one before I go ahead on my spending spree before the sale is over. This is a nice little light. All right, all right, all right. All right, you guys. Oh, for your garage, heavy duty overhead garage. $200. 4x8. Is that a deal? Is that a deal? Is that a deal? I think that might be the same price. I think that might be around the same price. So I'm not going to jump out the window on this one. Nah, 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 nah. I could wait until the holidays come. All right, you guys. Anyways, I left off on page 4, but when we come back, I might go somewhere in a different department just to see what else is out there. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll catch y'all in a few.